Astrid, you and I have been through everything together.
That's for scaring me.
Was it always gonna be this way? Because I could get used to it.
You don't think we can handle this?
So we're good now.
Good as new.
Ow!
But you really did a wonderful thing. Thank you.
Astrid, you have me, no matter what.
Please, for me. You need to stay with us. I can't imagine a world without you in it.
But I still have you.
Astrid! Astrid! Astrid!
What took you so long?
Oh, thank Lord.
Okay, whatever that means, whatever you want it to mean.
I can't imagine a world without you in it either.
I am with you. There will always be a Hiccup and Astrid. Yes, I'm here, Astrid.
Will you and Toothless stay with me a little while? Just until I fall asleep.
Of course. We're not going anywhere. Are we, bud? Always.